going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Jordan 2 Lucky Green. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start out with this box, and as we all know, this is a GS size, so it comes with this black box with the gold Jumpman on top. You got your gold Jumpman on the side, but then we're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Air Jordan 2 Retro GS, and the colorway is white, lucky green, and cell. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much you got the same normal stamp of approval right there on top of the box. Same normal white tissue paper on the inside, nothing spectacular. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Green. All right. First of all, I want to start off by saying this is a very nice colorway. When I first saw it at first, I was like, I might not go for those. But as I kept looking at them, started seeing other people's reviews, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try for them. So I was luckily enough able to hit at my local DTRL. And I was like, let me go on and pick them up, see what they're looking like. And in hand, I can say that these are actually very nice. I mean, you can't go wrong with this color. I mean, this color is nice. You got your white and green. Can't say that it goes with everything, but I mean, you can't go wrong with a nice white and green and a cell colorway. It just matches up perfectly, in my opinion. But overall, I think it's not a bad shoe. And I know everyone don't like Jordan 2s. I can't say that I've always been a Jordan 2 fan myself, but after getting the OG ones and then now these, I can actually say that these are actually a very nice shoe and they are actually comfortable. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. As you can see, we got this all white leather upper going throughout the whole upper of the shoe with this nice green, lucky green hints going all throughout the shoe. You got this nice white leather on top of the toe, and it's actually not a bad leather. Still got the actual little plush a little bit, so it's not bad. Pretty good leather. I think it's just about the same leather as the men's sizes, so if you are on the fence for going for the GS size or the men's size, you can't go wrong with the GSs because they pretty much are the same exact shoe. So I'm glad that Nike and Jordan brand did do that by giving us the same exact materials. You still got all this little hints of this lucky green coming across right here on this little strip. As you look close, it goes from green and it turns into like a black strip going up the side of the shoe. Also, we're gonna come up and just give you show you the little eyelets. You got 3 eyelets, as we all know, and then right here we got 3 little shoelace holders as on the shoelace part. I know some of the bigger sizes come with 4. I know it was a thing going with some of them had 4 and some of them had 3. GS has 3, so it's just 3 of those. And I know in the men's size, if you were a 10, size 10 and up, I think you actually have 4. So that's the only difference pretty much going on with the shoe on that part of the shoe. You got these nice cell shoelaces, which I think is a nice touch. I think it could have been a little bit more cellish, if that sounds right, in here to bring it out just a tad bit more. It kind of blends in with the white, but I'm thinking if you get a little bit darker, like a little darker, more cell laces, that'll actually make the shoe pop. I wouldn't put no green laces in these because that'd be just too much. But overall, these laces are fine, but if you just want to hit just a tad bit more, I go a little dark of a cell lace, and I think that'll look actually good. We're gonna come across back to the back of the heel. You got your Nike right there on the back in the black. You got this little thing on the back that comes on every Jordan 2 with this lucky green color. You got the lucky green sock liner right here on the inside of the shoe. Inside the shoe, it says Nike Air, so that's what we've got on the inside, not just a Jumpman symbol. So even though it's not an OG, you still have a little bit of OG personality going throughout the shoe, so that was nice. Like I said, it's nice leather coming all the way up to the ankle. As we all know, this shoe is a kind of a bulky shoe. All 2s are, so just be aware if you don't really like bulky shoes that when you're going for this 2 that they are bulky. But once you put them on and wear on some nice jeans or some joggers, you should be good to go. Throw on some nice, I think a nice fit could go good with this right here. And then it still got this nice green, lucky green Jumpman on the top of the tongue. Says Air Jordan right there with the Jordan wings. Like I said, cell laces, no extra laces. We're gonna come down to the midsole. You got this nice cell midsole, and I think that's what brings the shoe out. Like, It really does. To me, I would actually grab these before the OGs just because of something about this sale midsole that gives it like a vintage look, and that's like, to me, that looks good on shoes that they started to do these days, put the vintage look on the shoe. So this sale to me just really brings the shoe out. It just looks good with the vintage sale midsole. With then you got the white, and then you got that lucky green. You got the fake lizards going on right here on the side of the shoe. Also, still very nice leather material. We're gonna flip to the bottom when you got your Nike right there. Then you got the sale, and then you still got the lucky green and the gray on the bottom of the shoe. Just a clean shoe, very nice. It's a Jordan 2, like I said, mixed opinions. Some people like 2, some people don't. Like I'm not just a 2 fan, but I did want to grab these just because I like the way the sale brought them out, and I think I can pull this off with some nice fit. So y'all just let me know down in the comment below. Did you go for these or did you pass on them? I know a lot of people probably passed because it's a lot of shoes that's finna come out this February. February is finna be tough. So I can understand if you pass on them, but if you wanted a nice shoe, just a nice casual shoe and a nice 2, then hey, these were a good shoe to grab. They retail for $140 in GS. Men's sizes only retail for $175, so that's not bad. And I think they still had the preschool and toddlers also. So they came out today, February 3rd. And yeah, you just can't go wrong. And this shoe was, I think they said they made this colorway because of when Jordan went in the Boston Garden, he scored 63 points. So they was like, hey, let's go ahead and throw that Boston green on some of these 2s. And then, of course, if you're a Boston Celtics fan, Eagles fan, it's some more green teams, I don't know, but either one of those 2 teams, this is the shoe for you, because there you go. There go your lucky green colorway right there. But this was the right shoe. Left shoe looks the same as that way. You got your all white upper, and then you got that sail on the midsole, nice green going around the sock liner, and then on the back of the heel of the shoe. Overall, just a very nice, clean shoe. So y'all just let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you go for them? Are you gonna pass on them? Let me know. I think if you still want them, they're pretty much sitting right now. So if you want a pair and you was on the fence about it, you think about going to get it, you should be able to just go ahead and go and pick that up at any local store or on Nike.com, and then you should be good to go. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.